Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given cubic equation by a simple step-by-step technique, and at the very end we are going to check our answer as well. In step 1 we are going to identify our coefficients A, B, C and D by comparing our original equation with the standard form, as you can see on the right hand side. Obviously, by just looking at it, you can see that A turns out to be what? 1. B is how much? -4. C is how much? 5. And D equals to -2. In step 2, we want to add A, B, C, and D. Let's go ahead and add them up. A is how much? 1 plus B is what? -4. C is how much? 5. And D is what? -2. If you add them up, their sum turns out to be what? 0. Step 3 is really important. It has a rule. The rule says that if A plus B plus C plus D turns out to be 0, as in our case, then one of our solutions is going to be x equal to 1. So thus our one of the solution turns out to be x equals to 1. In step 4, we are going to use synthetic division. And the synthetic division, I'm sure everybody knows how to deal with it. So we're going to put down the coefficients of our original equation right up here, which is what? 1, -4, 5, and what? -2. And our one of the solution is x equal to 1. So you must put down 1 right up here. And let's get started now. So 1 is, you just put down 1 as it is right up here. Then the next step, I want you to multiply this with this one. 1 times 1 is what? 1. I want you to put it down over here. Add -4 plus 1 is going to be what? -3. Once again, you multiply this one by -3. That is -3 times 1 is -3. You just put it down over here and add them up, which is going to be how much? 2. Once again, I want you to multiply this 1 times 2, which is going to be what? 2 right up here. -2 plus 2 is what? 0. So 0 is our remainder. Now, what we got next? So the next thing is, now we got these numbers 1, -3, and 2. So the first one is going to be with the x squared. This is going to be with x, and this is without x, which is called constant. So given this one, we got, this is going to be what? 1x squared minus 3x, and that's going to be what? Plus 2 equal to 0, which turns out to be a quadratic equation. So let's go ahead and factor them out and solve for x. So let's factor them out. The possible factors obviously are super easy: x minus 1 and x minus 2. So let's go ahead and split them up right now. So we got x minus 1 equal to 0, and on this side x minus 2 equal to 0. That tells you that x equals to +1, and here x equals to what? +2. So that's what we got. How many solutions we got? So we already figured out one solution in our previous step, and we have 2 more solutions. So that's how many solutions are all together? 1, 1, and 2. So there are 3 is our solution. And one thing I just want to remind you one thing. So the 1 is repeating twice. So this this, if 1 repeats twice, we call it 1 with a multiplicity of 2. Okay, just keep in your mind. So what we got right now, our solution is this one. And finally, our final step is to check our answer. So as you know, our solutions set is what, 1, 1 and 2. And now if you want to check your answers, you just simply need to add your solutions up. Okay, so what are our solutions? 1 plus 1 plus 2. Now it says question mark, is it equal to minus b over a, where a is how much? In our case, a is 1, b is -4, c is +5, d equals to -2. So that would give you negative b over a is going to be simply what? Negative, and b is -4 over 1. So that's going to give you 4 over 1. That is equal to what? 4. So let's go ahead and check it out. On the left hand side, we got, of course, obviously 4. Question mark is the right hand side turns out to be, from here is what? 4 as well. Is 4 on the left hand side equals to 4 on the right hand side? That is yes. That means we checked our answers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting video lessons.